Welcome to Food Cave. Since you can only order our food online, I would like to tell you who is behind the scenes. It's my wife Desiree and I. My name is Peter. Desiree, come say hi to the people quickly.
Hi people!
Some of you will know us from the Ultimate Pie Master Season 5 or Latti Potte Prut, but what started as my man cave now became the food cave. And we'll be filming a couple of clips to show you what is in our food. The fresh ingredients, what we use, not really how we make it, there's a few secrets in it obviously, but you can see the ingredients nonetheless. I hope you enjoy our food, and Desiree, go behind the camera.
Bye people!
And until next time, wait for it. Tschüss!